Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Tnat Sports and Youth Affairs ka Jylla ha ka arpu artrik ulaber arhaja apusan kalapelong ya ka jingyalang Kitbok kirweng na kabentaki Khynnah ka Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School Bhoirambong under 17 Shwa bakin Leit yashim benta ha ka second edition jong kalimpong Ïalehkai football Indo-French ka banlong ha Paris France nadu ka arpu sautrik hadu laipotrik ulaber arhajar apusan ha ka negasngi ladan lang President ka Meghalaya Football Association uba Hamletson Doling, President Barim ka MFA uba Larsing M. Sawian, Deiru Utray Jong Kashalong La Jong FC, Director ka Sports and Youth Affairs uba Didi Shira Nalor Kiwaypan. Ha ka jingikran Jong uba Doling, Deiru Unong Aibut Jong Umintri Rangba ka Jylla Ukonrat Ki Sangma, Ula ay ka jing Kitbok kitrubeng ya ka nikakinhon bat ukermens kem, bakin wanra ya ka nam jing job anda kilawan pai. Ula kentu ya kinong Ïalehkai bakin long ki baat kar, habakilet siya jingay na lari. Laaban kadaw, baka Suburto Mukherjee Sports Education Society, kalakot sobha ya ki Khynnah Ïalehkai ka Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School Ribhoy District, bani shimenta ha ka second edition jong ka Indo-French football tournament, kaban sa long ha Paris, France.
Board Lang Committee, the manager, Ramshan, please come over stage. And escorting the team, we also have the principal himself, Sir Everlasting Big Roll. A big round of applause for these boys, and we wish you the very best. It's going to be a very interesting journey, and we pray that you learn and you come up with flying colors. A big round of applause for MFA for the kind support. Thank you on behalf of the team. Thank you so much, MFA.
Part of this sending off program to the under 17 runner-up team of the last year's Suburto Cup, who will be proceeding to France to participate in the Indo-French football tournament. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the team for reaching this level, for reaching the final. It's unfortunate that they could not win, but even reaching this level is a huge success, considering the huge competitions these days. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Bobby, principal, and all the supporting staff for grooming and helping the team to achieve this success. And it is because of their success now they are being able to participate in this venture. Very happy moments and proud moments to the state of Meghalaya. For this venture, I would also like to thank the state governments and our sports minister and all the stakeholders, the MFA, as to the culture, the way of life. And after learning, after getting exposed, they have to come back, they have to execute in their future matches, and they have to inculcate in their way of life. They have to share with their friends, with their juniors. So it's a very good opportunity for the team to get exposed to France. From the Department of Sport and Youth Affairs, we will always continue to support and assist in whatever way we can. This kind of course, this kind of venture in the future also. So enjoy the trip. My best wishes to you. I would also like to convey our best wishes from Honorable Minister, who could not be here because of his busy schedule. But I will also convey back to him that we had a nice send-off program. So once again, my best wishes to all of you. Just bring back only the good memories. As you all know, as we go as a group and if we move outside, we always encounter inconveniences, problems, and we may have to follow some rules. We have to stick to the time. So once again, my best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
It has almost 7 to 8 players from Manipur. It has a couple of players from Mizoram. But unfortunately, boys from Meghalaya are missing in this national team. So I think it will be a common resolution that we further work on the grassroots of Meghalaya football and jointly, both from the government, MFA, SSA, different state and district associations, and all the grassroots football clubs of Meghalaya, we all have to work together towards creating football players that will wear the blue jersey. And to see a local boy wear that blue jersey and play in Shillong is, I think, our next dream and agenda. At Lajong, we are proud to state that every Khasi boy who has played for the Indian senior national team has started his journey in Lajong. So we are very well aware of what it is required to build players, to spot players, to nurture players, and what are the qualities that are required for players to make it to the highest level. This is where I'd like to share to you that as you embark on this journey and as champions or runners-up of the Super Auto Cup, it means that each and every one of you have an opportunity to move forward and climb up the ladder of football, not only in the state but in the entire country. But to achieve, it's not only talent, it also requires a huge amount of hard work, as you will be aware, and also character. Your character, your personality, and your humility are foundations that will help you grow forward and grow better. Each and every player that has made it to the top from Lajong in the last 20 years, I can share with you, have these traits. Not only were they talented, each and every one of them were very, very humble. Each and every one of them were very, very committed. And each and every one of them had tremendous personalities. They were really, really great people. Whether it was Rokos Namare, who started off early, whether it's Ibor Thongji, whether it's Eugene, or any of the other boys who are now climbing up the ladder. All great boys with great dedication. And let me tell you, this is the era of football in India. The other day when I was watching the match, I was proud that though we didn't have any players from Meghalaya, there were 3 Lajong products in this Indian team today. Sana Pongsham, Mahesh Singh, and Vishal Keth. These are 3 boys who are part of our Goal 18 program. Great moment for us to see them actually now be at the national level. They were boys who perhaps would have continued beyond 2019-20, but we released each and every one of them and sold them, transferred them to the big ISL clubs. I was sitting with Ivan Dolling and watching the match. So he helped me identify young boys in that team who I was not aware of. And I asked him, so Ivan, what is your current take home in Kerala? You might not forgive me for this, but in football, salaries are transparent. We all know how much Messi gets, we all know how much Ronaldo gets. So why not know what Ivan Dolling gets? 95 lakhs. 95 lakhs is his 1 year salary as of now. Next year it will cross 1 crore. And that is a top ISL player from Meghalaya, not yet the national team. Sana Thongsham is on an 8 crore contract for 5 years. Vishal Keth is above 2 crores per year. Mahesh Singh is above 2 crores per year. So just these 3 boys alone in the national team are on figures which are unbelievable. So what I want to say is that the dream is not only in Europe anymore. Yes, in Europe it's in millions of dollars, but the dream has reached India. And each and every one of you have this opportunity today. And let me tell you, these boys were close to nothing when they were training with us. But that is the reality of football today. So I wanted to share this with all of you, with the future of Meghalaya players, to know that there's a huge opportunity for us today. Because it's for the first time that the state, the associations, the district associations, and the football clubs are working in tandem towards taking Meghalaya football forward. Let's take this opportunity, work together, and further build on developing not only Meghalaya football, but developing Indian football forward. So with these words,
right from for all these 90 minutes, we have seen the skill, the technique, the tactic, and the spirit that you have. It is because of this quality that you have that we are getting this opportunity to participate in the Indo-French football tournament in Paris. The other official Legend Football Club, it was a club that has produced maximum numbers of players, not only in the junior level, but also in the senior level. We have seen the contribution in the field of players in the state of Meghalaya. It is true, the hard work of the Shwa Legend Football Club, and we should not forget also of football coach Bobby. So today, Myngken Higher Secondary School, we are very, very fortunate that the government of Meghalaya is organizing this set of program. And also, Meghalaya Football Association also is taking part on this very important program. Because we are very, very happy that we are getting this opportunity to play in the international level. We are here today to give you the best wishes to all of you, and we hope that the same spirit that you always have, that you will show up, you will play in all this international team, and we believe that you will beat all of this team and you will come up in flying colors. On behalf of the Meghalaya government, also on behalf of the Meghalaya Football Association, I'd like to wish you all the very best. But a small advice from our side to you, sir, when you are there in the foreign country, the most important part is that you should have discipline. Discipline is very, very important. And please do obey the official who will be with you, especially the coach. People all over the world, they will watch you. People all of you. But Myngken has just stated that nowadays football players can earn in one set more than one crore. So we are very, very fortunate enough that we got this opportunity, and please make use of this platform. Because for Meghalaya Football Association also, we are looking upon you. If football is going to grow in India, in Meghalaya, I agree with Bami. We need to start football right from the grassroots level. In Meghalaya Football Association, we always discuss that we need to see good players to represent the state of Meghalaya. And we also have a thought with us that if we get the support from the government, even Meghalaya Football Association also will come up with a football academy. so that in the future we will get the good and the quality players. That's what we have in our mind. So with these few words, once again, I should take my opportunity to wish you all the very best. Safe journey. Please do well. Please come back to the state, come back to the country with a champion trophy. But Shwa kaban ng Shwa, na Shwa mga kubekar pang ipi baro ki players jang ka Myngken Christian High School ibalik bansin mata hang tipo Paris kini ka kabuk siar na ta chupi ui baro Leit chite long vibran kodan borom long vibran discipline berkemau kejire haban tresham haban minon but one mumbo yal jom hapo baro ngide ibrio warang bakide kitim baro France ko Spain kin khamla banyapi ni baro ngide iju ibrio berkemau ni jet berjui ko bejam meganya kejo bikosi ngide ibrio ki basata ibrio ki bayale but when ni banjo Jylla banjrong kalian kami le keputusan kalau kami sian jom pidon kasap kapong ka blay YP pinang gampan ka for ka biang nanda pidon khayo snen si bomba ka kata pikiran dom sebab pinang kami kasap kapong jom pi na magsiam kanira pi barawat aku si kanira bro ya Jylla juni hargai barkaju kai football to play under kadwapi naru bapi mi namni under kad kerja jompi tupai tiada pasukasan Ïalehkai penat Hima kejumusau but kipai ba jom jalan galia ko herim dia ni bapi kikuwa pi ba benura ya kejunjong kini kebakang tiap dari suatu ya Myngken school pide keman ya Jylla but ya kerja hi barokui dia kebawa
Garu Hills kari tim song nyuma dengan nga position di center back ko kanya.
So which team you're playing?
For Myngken Christian High Secondary School, Meghalaya.
So can you tell us your preparation for this tournament to be held in Paris?
Tengah ya jagung kan training ko kah, mayra salantin training na fitness aru tentang athletics rang na sir coaches rang baksa head coach sir Bobby baksa aru terkait tentang salantin tentang skill apa ni ko mana aru tengah team preparation baka mayra uci gapun country cisha tengah tentang ni state na ba India song na represent kana yang ni kemen tengah preparation ka salantin tentang ni tengah sepan ni ko ba barita pata aru sekian ni ko ra.
So you'll be saying that
Maina bang bata semua garul studi bang bata mandirangan agana maina umja advice ko mana maina bang bata mandirangan umja advice ko na riang nabi tak nabi thangkalo song again mai tak again aru mukhangnya ada kaya kana aru digi give up atau kaya mana anta tangis ko dakja ni gumen chadam birang na garat naskinga maina khalai bu dream ko der kai bu maina dalla juma ko ko dalla chu kan ko Myngken na give up kana be fight kai bu salanti practice kai bu maina practice ka ni chin a chuba ta ga ton Myngken nokko de chol ko do na maina chang suskusku try kai ni upel mo de chang chasa ko de nokko de na ni gumen jothon kai bu khreng bu manna gen anchung ba achkrang ba haja jama chide bangro ro ba na donga aro asona ba jatna khalar im khang na ko ba chadam berong khatna